Hi there everyone, myself Arya, and today I am presenting my data analysis and forecasting project based on a comprehensive global weather dataset. The primary objective of this project was to perform EDA and build robust machine learning models to forecast current temperature based on environmental factors. I started by cleaning the data, dropping irrelevant columns, and handling missing values. For advanced EDA, I applied the IQR method to detect and handle outliers. This step was crucial for stabilizing the model training. I also performed spatial and climate analysis, mapping out top 10 hottest countries and visualizing long-term temperature trends over different months. Here is that. After that, let's come to model training. For the forecasting pipeline, I split the data into 80% training and 20% testing set. I implemented multiple models, specifically a random forest regression and an advanced XGBoost regression. To maximize forecast accuracy, I created an ensemble of both the models. The final ensemble model achieved a strong R-squared score of approximately 0.88, significantly outperforming the base models. My feature importance analysis revealed that UV index and atmospheric pressure are the most critical predictors for the temperature. Lastly, I conducted an environmental impact analysis which demonstrated a positive correlation between temperature and PM2.5 pollution level, indicating that warmer conditions in this dataset are associated with high particulate matter. Thank you for your time, and the complete code for the documentation is available in my GitHub repo.